Depositing money into your TradeStation account is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your TradeStation account. Access the platform. Open the TradeStation desktop application, web platform or mobile app and log in using your credentials. Navigate to the funding section. Desktop or web. Click on the Account or Account Center tab. Look for the Funding or Transfer Funds section. Mobile app. Go to the Accounts tab, then select Deposit Funds or Transfer Funds. Choose Deposit Method. Link bank account. If not already linked, you will need to add your bank account details. You can usually do this through an ACH transfer, which requires providing your bank's routing number and your account number. Wire transfer. For faster deposits, you might choose to wire funds. TradeStation will provide instructions and wire details for the transaction. Enter deposit amount. Specify amount. Enter the amount you wish to deposit. Ensure that you have sufficient funds in your linked bank account. Confirm and submit. Review details. Double-check the deposit details and confirm. Submit request. Click Submit or Transfer funds to initiate the deposit. Monitor deposit. Track status. Your deposit will typically be processed within a few business days. Check your account balance to confirm the funds have been added.